Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my friend. My name is Muhammad Ilham Rifki. I am from Malang State Polytechnic, and I will explain about 150 kV tower equipment and accessories for suspension type with two circuit line. This is my biodata. And then let's go to the material. Uh, what is suspension tower? Suspension tower to support and must be strong against the gravity of the electrical equipment that is on the pole. This tower is made of iron material to be strong in holding the exciting load, which is designated as in the image below. This is aimed to reduce or survive from strong wind because the transmission tower is very high, up to about 30 meters. Okay, and next is suspension tower design. Can be seen from the picture below that as described earlier and in the field is usually called uh, the top one is called peak, and after that is cage in the middle, and the one shaped like arm is apa cross arm, and the bottom one is usually called tower body. And then 150 kV tower equipment and accessories. Number one is conductor. A conductor is a device for distributing of or distributing electrical energy 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 from one place to another with spec that match the amount of electrical energy distributed. Below is an example if mouse is of conductor is usually a transmission. The name of the conductor is below the description. The spec of the conductor, such as the example is HSR. HSR is to describe aluminum conductor, steel reinforced cable, and then like this in the picture HSR, like this. Number two is insulators. Insulators is a material in which electrical charge cannot pass freely, making it nearly impossible to produce an electrical current under the influence of an electrical field. An example of insulators below are different in shape and adapt to their use. Usually of use in suspension tower are shaped like this in the suspension tower, and conductor began hung, and the net the greater the voltage that is distributed, the more insulators need will be in accordance with the agreed standard. Standard is IC or SNE or PUIL in the PLN. And then number three, GSW, galvanized steel wire. Ground wire is a conductor placed on top of the transmission tower. to protect to the pass wire from lightning strike. The crown which is attached to the tower contraction, so lightning currents flow in the crown wire, so that the voltage increase occur in the tower arm. Hmm. The usually installed in very top in of transmission tower. Number 4 is GSW chamber. To keep the GSW, GSW and uh, OPGW were connected with the tower. At the end of the GSW where there is an installed jumper connected to GSW wire. The connector wire is made of GSW wire which is cut to length that is tailored and that needs GSW jumper on tower tension type is installation between tower and GSW whereas will and between that and compression of protected rods with helical that and wire GSW. This from the picture is example the GSW chamber like this, and then Earthing horn are conductors used to protect insulator or replace hardware in high voltage electric power transmission system from damage during flashover. For placement can you see in the picture like this. This is a tower transmission when 150 kV and then the earthing horn in here. Okay. And then number 6 is lightning arrestor. Lightning arrestor is a device used in the transmission of electrical power system to protect the insulator and conductor of the system from the damage effect of lightning. A, type, a typical lightning rod has a high voltage terminal and ground terminal. When lightning surge or switching, which very similar, travels along the power the arrestor. For placement can you see in the picture. And then grounding rod. The grounding rod is a grounding equipment from the transmission system that work for continue the electrical current from the 150 kV tower to the ground and avoid a current of back flashover on the insulator when the grounding system hit by lightning strike. This contraction in the tower transmission, for example, in the picture, like this conductor, and this clamp. In this, like this. This is a tower and in body tower, and then the okay. Uh, Number 8 is spacer. Spacer is a conductor wire stretch device made of metal and hanged covered with rubber like this. The hardware is like this. For the place of installation in the transmission tower can be seen in the picture, and then functionally this spacer was created to protect the conductor from sticking or touching like this. Uh, oh no, not. Next is ACD or anti-clamping device. functionally to prevent animal or human from climbing to the top uh, of the transmission tower. Like this, from example in the tower transmission. This tool is only a safety device. Okay, and then suspension clamp. Suspension clamp is a device mount on the end hanging on the tower suspension insulator to holding the wire. Uh, hardware can be this picture, hardware of the suspension clamp, and then this component can be seen in the image below. Motor the case conductor. Okay, and then pulsing. This component serves to signal to the pilot and the aircraft and the ship visual about the excitation of the saluran udara tekanan tinggi or saluran udara tekanan tinggi transmission line. This in the image below as in the hardware like this. This component can be seen image below the mounted and KSV conductor like this. And then okay, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my video, and thank you my friend. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.